Over the years, I've seen technologies come and go, each one promising to change the way we work. Some were passing fads, others truly reshape business. Artificial intelligence, AI, falls into that second category. It's here to stay, and it's already changing how we make decisions, how we engage with employees, and how we serve customers. As a CEO for more than 25 years, I've learned an important lesson. Leaders always have to balance opportunity with responsibility. When something new came along, the internet, mobile devices, and now AI, everyone's temptation was always to jump in with both feet. But leadership isn't about efficiency or chasing the next shiny tool. Leadership is about judgment, it's about relationships, and it's about values. I've experimented with AI much like I did with other tools, cautiously at first, then more as I saw the benefits. AI is a fantastic assistant in three ways. Number one, automating repetitive work. I remember when teams spent hours just compiling reports. Now, AI does that in minutes from draft documents. I've used AI to boil down lengthy reports to short summaries for busy leaders. Number two, surfacing insights from data. AI reveals risks and patterns we might never catch on our own. I used AI recently to tease out data from a report that quickly compared two different proposals. It gave it to me in seconds and saved me an hour of my time. And number three, improving communication. You can use AI to draft a message and then to analyze the tone so it conveys your ideas in the way you want, such as friendly or serious. It gives leaders a strong head start in their writing. The real benefit? It frees people to do what humans do best: build relationships, think strategically, and innovate. That said, AI will never replace the human side of leadership. I've sat in too many boardrooms to know data only gets you halfway. You need context, judgment, trust. That's what fills in the rest. I'll never forget a budget crisis at one of my organizations. The numbers told one story, but the reality of people's lives told another story. We needed to make cuts, but we also needed to preserve morale and fairness. AI could have modeled the financial options, but only people could weigh the values and strategy. That's why leaders must remain in control of critical decisions. So, how do leaders balance AI with effectiveness, profitability, and staffing? Here's what I found works. Let AI be your co pilot, not the captain. Keep profitability in perspective. If staff feel replaced by AI instead of empowered, you'll pay for it with a worse culture and higher turnover. Reskill, don't replace. The smartest move I ever made was training people to use new tools, not cutting them out. Then they found new services and value to offer our customers. Finally, reinforce values. AI may optimize for efficiency, but only leaders can optimize for fairness and inclusion. Here's the one thing you need to know. AI is not the boss. It's the assistant. The organizations that thrive will be the ones that embrace AI to work smarter while keeping people at the center. If leadership has taught me anything, it's this: tools come and go, but people remain at the heart of every enterprise. So let AI crunch the data and summarize the reports, but let humans make the decisions. That's the essence of AI enhanced leadership. Thanks for listening. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Email me at barry@barrymoline.com or connect with me on LinkedIn and tell me, how are you using AI in your leadership role?